Want to set up a local account on Windows 11? Whether it's for privacy, a guest user, or a family member, I'll show you how in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we need to go to the Start menu or click on that Start icon on your keyboard. And then we need to look for that Settings icon. And then on the left side of your screen, look for Accounts, click on it. And to the right, scroll down and look for Other Users. There, click on it. It should take you to the Other User section, and you just need to click on that Add Account on the upper right. Click on it. And then another window will pop up, and this is where we should focus, okay? But before that, I would like to show to you that what we are doing is a local account, okay? For the next step, we need to click on this blue link below where it says I don't have this person's sign-in information, so that we can get to the next option, okay? And that option is to add a user without a Microsoft account. Click onto this option and then just put in your username first. Then type in your password. Re-enter your password. And we're not done yet. We need to make sure that we set up the security questions as well, as it will show you that this field is required. This is for your option as well if you forgot your password in the future. And there you go. So you are now done in creating a user account, a local account in Windows 11. And let me show as well how to log into this for the first time and how it will look like, okay? So we switch to my phone's camera so I'll be able to record what's happening on the screen. And as you can see now, there should be 4 users. So the fourth one that I created is that another user. And you just need to type in your password. And there you go. So you have successfully signed in to the new local account that you just created. And just need for this to wait. And you should be good to go. And for these options, I would suggest to turn them off. It's not really gonna affect the functions of your Windows 11. And there should be the final step, and there you go. You are now greeted by the desktop of that other user that you just created. If you have any other clarifications, you can just comment down below. I'll be more than glad to answer your concerns.